Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm doing a brown neutral everyday wearable makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so starting off with Tarte Shape Tape. Gotta love it. A little bit goes a long way. Super long. So you know the drill. Priming the lids, making sure everything has a nice base for shadows. This is such an important step. I feel like, I don't even know, like years and years ago when I first started doing makeup, I never did this, and once I started, like, you just can't go back. You can't. You need it in your life. You need it in your life. So, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy little brush, set the eyes. So I look kind of crazy. My hair is like being poofy and I have it in this little bun or little pony, but I'll get it together. I will. Sorry if you hear any noise in the background. My boyfriend is obsessed with Narcos. He's just watching it. So, yeah, that's like all the noise in the background in case you hear it. And if not, even better. Sorry, quick coffee break. I'm so tired. Coffee. Okay. I'm grabbing my Morphe 350 palette. Guys, this is like the best palette for me. You'll get to know me more, but like this is my dream palette. Do you see all these neutral browns and like neutral colors? This is me. This is me in a palette. Very happy. Okay. So I'm going to start off with, I guess we'll go on the Morphe trend and use the Morphe R38 blending brush. Can go in with these two neutrally brown colors and just start blending that into my crease. Oh my god, this brush is so good. Like, amazing. I barely put anything on the brush and it picked up a lot of product. Yay! My look today, my vibe is like all browns, so go back. Okay, so that's the kind of vibe I'm going for. Even with like my lip, I'm doing like a nudie brown. I'm gonna go in with this orangey kind of color. Orangey nude. Not too orange, but a little something. And I'm going in with this bright orange on the corner, just like a little bit. Popping that right here. I feel like when you're creating a brown look, you need a good orange, because especially if you're doing warm brown colors, because it has like tint of orange in it, which really brings out all the shadows. But if you're doing like a cool, like these are like cool browns, like down here, I don't think the orange would be a good idea. I mean, it might work, but I don't think that's a good idea. Well, I just use these more for like the brown colors, the brown warm colors. So pop that orange on there. I like to use the same brush a lot. Like if I know I'm blending, I'm gonna use like one brush for like all the colors. If they're similar, like the nudes, the neutrals, the browns. So same brush. So now I'm gonna switch to a blending brush, but it's like smaller. Let's see, will it focus? There you go. It's smaller haired, and I'm gonna go in with, whoa, sorry, that's my phone. I'm gonna go in with this brown color right here. Just gonna grab a little bit, just pop that on the crease. And with this dark brown right here, put this on the outer corners. Sorry, put it on the outer corners right here. I'm gonna go in with this shade down here. So pretty, so beautiful, so easy because they're all in the same color family. You like the blending process is so much easier and everything looks so nice together and every color complements each other really well. This look is like one of my go-tos. Super simple, super easy, fun. You look put together. I love this. Just make sure you blend everything out. Blending is key. Always blend. When in doubt, just blend. Now I'm gonna go in with, just gotta find the right brush. This is like a Morphe S21, the flat, there you go, the flat brush. And I'm going to go in with this neutral color right here. I'm gonna grab a little bit, pop that right in the center. There we go. Actually, you know what? With the same brush, I'm grabbing the same color. Just gonna pop that right under the brow bone. Just like that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna finish off my face and I'll come back when I'm done with my face. Okay, face is done. Now I'm gonna go back to my eyes, just grabbing my blending brush one more time. Just gonna blend through all the shadows, make sure everything looks perfect, beautiful, and amazing. Blah, 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 blend, blend, blend. And if you have brown eyes, like this look is like perfect. I mean, blue eyes are beautiful, but you know, the people that aren't blessed with them, it's okay. I still love my brown eyes. They're warm and fuzzy. Not fuzzy, they're just warm. Okay, so I'm gonna line my upper lash line with the NYX matte liquid liner like I always do. I hope you guys can still see. Okay, sorry. Just a thin line right across. And I normally don't add a wing. I feel like it's phases. Sometimes I'll do a wing, sometimes I won't. Recently I haven't been. So yeah, recently I haven't been, I feel like, because my wings come out like one this way and one this way, so I just haven't been lately. And I'm gonna add my mascara, which is the, what is this? The L'Oreal Lash Paradise, the one I always use. It's just so good. I feel like I need a new one because this one is starting to dry up on me, but totally okay. We'll make it through. So I feel like I've said this before, but like I really want eyelash extensions so bad. I just feel like I can't commit to them. One, because I'm gonna be traveling, and okay, so I have like my hair and I have to make appointments, and I feel like in order for me to make sure I'm like sticking to it, I have to make my appointments on like the same day that I have my hair done, just because I'd rather just have all my appointments in one day. But I feel like that's not gonna be the case, and it's gonna be so hard to keep up with. And you have to find a good person that can do your lashes like good, you know, because I feel like it's so trending and a lot of people are trying to do them, but a lot of people either don't do what you like or have a different method of doing it, and I just want them to be beautiful and full, and I don't want to go through something and not like the end results, if you know what I mean. So I'm still contemplating it, but we'll see. Okay, so going back to the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm grabbing this brown color right here. Oh, on a really short precision brush, flat brush. There you go. I'm just gonna pop that right under my lower lash line, smoking it out a bit. Same thing on the other side. So this look is very matte. I was gonna add a glitter to the inner corner, but I just love the matte look. So yeah, you could totally add a glitter or like a shimmery eyeshadow. I just prefer it to be matte. It's more my personality. I love the matte look. So yeah, nothing too crazy, super nice, easy, simple. I'm just gonna grab my brush because I feel like some mascara flaked off because, like I said, it was drying out, so that's okay. One more sip of coffee. Okay, one more sip before I do my lips. Nothing's on them, they're clean. Gonna go in with the Morphe Honeymoon lip liner. Just gonna line my lips. Okay, then I'm going in with the Morphe lipstick in Honey over top. And then I'm going in with the Morphe lip gloss in the color Free Bird. Free Bird. I feel like I said that weird. And for a trick, if you don't want like lipstick on your teeth, just then, and then like the lipstick should come off on your finger. And then just grab a little something and wipe it off. Okay, just gonna let my hair down, let it fall into place where I don't look totally crazy. Okay, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you guys as subscribers, and I'll see you guys in next video. Bye.